Hey, you guys. My name is Elisa Tobin, and I live in Salem, Oregon. And currently, I work as a caregiver for a boy with cerebral palsy, and I also work at a wedding and event rental shop where I get to help brides and grooms make their day super special, or sometimes we do parties and stuff like that. I'm really excited for this social and economic justice class as it has been something that I have been really interested in lately in the last few years. So I'm really, really excited for this class. But I think one of my favorite topics so far has been the emotional intelligence and human behavior. That those two things have just been super interesting to me, but I'm really excited to learn more about social and economic justice, and I can't wait to do this class with you guys and enjoy another step in the journey. Have a great day.